How to apply for a digital burp card. Most people get this wrong by thinking a digital burp or biometric residence permit replaces all identity documents. The truth is, it complements your visa and proves your immigration status in the UK. Step 1. Ensure you are eligible. Digital burp cards are issued to individuals applying for visas from outside the country or when switching visa types within the UK. You won't believe what happens next once your visa is approved. You can request a digital burp instead of a physical card. Step 2. Complete your online application through the UK Home Office website. You'll need your personal details, passport information, and visa reference number. Upload your photo and provide your biometric information, including fingerprints and facial recognition data. Step 3. Pay the application fee. Fees vary depending on visa type, but digital burp applications are slightly cheaper than physical ones. Step 4. Wait for approval. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification with instructions to access your digital burp through the official app or portal. Most people get this wrong by not setting up two-factor authentication, which is required for secure access. Step 5. Download or access your digital burp. You can show to employers, landlords or authorities as proof of your status. Unlike physical cards, it's accessible via your phone and is immediately verifiable. In conclusion, applying for a digital burp is straightforward if you follow the steps carefully. Ensure eligibility, submit accurate biometric data, and access your card securely. Digital burps are convenient, secure, and increasingly the standard for proving your right to live and work in the UK in 2025.